Are you wanting to start an online business because you realize the earning potential for your job is actually really low and that 80 to 120K a year just doesn't stack like you thought it would? Your dream job that was once so fulfilling is now just a means to an end, and you don't wake up with that drive to conquer the world. So many people go to college, get a job, work their butt off because they think they're going to make a boatload of money, only to find themselves unfulfilled and already near their earning potential with their job. They see after 5 to 10 years that more time at their job does not equal more money. They see all these people starting online businesses on this side, and they're like, I could do my job, start an online business just to replace my salary so that I can become time, location, and financially free. If that's you, click the link and sign up for your first free online workshop that'll teach you how to start and grow an online business from scratch. The thing with jobs is that their purpose is to provide you with security to support your life. But what do you do when your job takes up all your time and all your energy? Well, you can't do the things you really want to, like start that business or travel with family and friends. So what do? Well, you can either give up on your dreams and aspirations, continue trading your time for money until you retire, which is meh, or you can learn the skills to create an online business it's not so dependent on your time like your job is, because you install the tools that do the hard work for you, freeing you up to do whatever you want to do. Click the button below the video to watch your first free on-demand workshop that teaches you how to start and grow an online business from scratch, freeing you up to do whatever you want to do. Enter your name and email and I'll send you the workshops right away. I'm Will Martin, and I was feeling uninspired and unenthused with my corporate agricultural management job. I was working all the time, wasn't getting paid enough, and just not caring as much as I wanted to. And the worst bit was that I wasn't able to work on what I really want to do. I want to have my own farm. I want to farm avocados, blueberries, and recently figs. But with my job, I didn't have the time, money, or energy to work on my farm. So I got started building my online business because I needed an income that could replace my salary. And then I needed an income that wasn't so dependent on my time like my job is. So I'd have the time, money, or energy to work on my farm. Now I watch these workshops too, and I continue to get more in-depth training, which helped me get started building my online business. Now I have everything I need in place so that I can scale very quickly. It is beyond exciting to me that I'm working on my farm as we speak. If that's you, you're feeling uninspired and unenthused and you have other things you want to do, then click the link and sign up for your first free online workshop that'll teach you how to start and grow an online business today, freeing you up to do whatever you want to do. Enter your name and email on the next page and I'll send you the workshops right away. Okay, just so you know, you're not alone here. There are over 3,000 community members who use this same training to get started building their online business. Now, what are these workshops? These workshops talk you through everything you need to know about getting started with the right business model that will allow you to use tools and systems online to make an income promoting other people's products and services. Now, why is this solution so great? The great thing about this business model is once the software and systems are set up, it runs automatically for you, making sales on autopilot, which is perfect for anyone looking just to replace their salary to make an income to free up their time. If you're looking to make money online and you just want to replace your salary with an income to free up your time, then click the link and sign up to see your free on-demand workshops today. Send me your name and email and I'll send you the workshops right away. So what's stopping you? It doesn't matter if you're working full-time or have personal or professional responsibilities, you can watch these workshops in your own time, implement the teachings around your schedule, and grow the business at a pace that suits your lifestyle. It doesn't matter what your tech background is either, because the tools available in today's digital economy are so simple anyone can learn how to use them. If I can do it, you can do it, provided the right training. These workshops will provide you with the training with the exact tech skills required. Click the link to watch your first free on-demand workshop. Send me your name and email and I'll send you the workshops right away so you can get started building an online business today.